Palaali wa sabihi hamabad. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Our Honorable Outgoing Governor, Honorable Abdul Ramon E. Makapuwa, sir. Now our Barm Interim Chief Minister. Our newly appointed Provincial Governor, Honorable Dato Sharifudin Tukaw P. Mastura, CPA, sir. Of course, we have here the presidential table, Honorable Dato Tukaw Mastura, the Mayor of Sultan Kudarat, and inshallah the incoming Governor of Maguindanao del Norte, inshallah. We have here also the Honorable Congresswoman by Siti Shahara Ay Mastura, ma'am. And of course, our very own Vice Governor, Honorable Abdul Nasir M. Abbas. The Honorable Board Members and the members of the Parliament na nandito. The MILG Provincial Director, Tarhata El Baladig, PhD, ma'am. Our department heads, Honorable Mayors of the 12 municipalities of Maguindanao del Norte, distinguished guests, valued colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Today marks not an ending, but a transition. A passing of the torch from one capable leader to another. We recognize the significant contributions of the outgoing governor in navigating the complexities of our province and fostering progress across various sectors. Your legacy will undoubtedly serve as a strong foundation for the future. To our incoming governor, we offer our unwavering support and pledge our full cooperation as you embark on this crucial road. We understand the challenges that lie ahead, and we are confident in your ability to lead our province towards continued growth and prosperity. The Provincial Employees Association is committed to fostering a collaborative and productive working environment. We believe in open communication, mutual respect, and a shared commitment to excellence in public service. We look forward to engaging in constructive dialogue with your administration to ensure the smooth implementation of your policies and to address the concerns of our members. We are eager to work alongside with you to achieve your provincial goals. On behalf of the Provincial Employees Association, we extend our warmest congratulations on your appointment as our governor. Likewise, we also express our sincerest gratitude to our newly installed interim chief minister for the dedicated service and leadership during his tenure. Mamimiss namin, sir, yung mga joke mo every flag ceremony at yung kindness mo sa amin. Surely, you'll always be remembered. We wish you both all the best in your future endeavors. May this turnover ceremony signify not just a change in leadership, but a continuation of our province journey towards progress and a brighter tomorrow. Ramadan Mubarak, wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah, wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you. Thank you so much. That was the message of our Provincial Employees Association President, Sir Abdul Manan F. Ito. At this juncture,